Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to solve an example on remainder theorem. So let us consider an example. Here we have, if ax square plus bx plus c is exactly divisible by x minus 1 and x minus 2 and leaves the remainder 6 when divided by x plus 1, then we have to find the values of a, b and c. So first, let us consider the given function as f of x is equal to x square plus bx plus c. So given that the f of x is exactly divisible by x minus 1, so the value of x would be 1 and the remainder would be f of 1. So now let us replace x with 1. We get here a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c, as given that f of x is exactly divisible by x minus 1, so it leaves the remainder 0. Let us write here is equal to 0, and therefore this would come as a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now let us name this equation as 1. The next factor here is x minus 2. So now let us find the value of f of 2 by replacing x with 2. So we get here f of 2 as a into 2 whole square plus b into 2 plus c. So this would come as 2 square is 4, a plus 2 into b would be 2b plus c. And as it is said that it is exactly divisible by the function f of x, it leaves the remainder 0. So let us write is equal to 0 and name this equation as 2. And according to the information given in the problem, when f of x is divided by x plus 1, it leaves the remainder 6. So if x plus 1 is a factor of f of x, then f of minus 1 would be a remainder. Now let us find the value of f of minus 1 by replacing x with minus 1. So we get here a into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus c. Given that it leaves the remainder 6, so let us write is equal to 6. So this would come as a into minus 1 whole square would be a, and b into minus 1 is minus b plus c is equal to 6. Now let us name this equation as 3. So first let us write here the three equations. A plus b plus c is equal to 0 is the first equation, and the second equation is 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0, and we have the third equation as a minus b plus c is equal to 6. So by using these three equations, let us find the values of a, b and c. So in order to find the value of b, first let us subtract the equation 3 from equation 1. We have the equation 1 as a plus b plus c is equal to 0, and we have the equation 3 as a minus b plus c is equal to 6. Now let us subtract these both equations. So the signs of ABC get changed. The sign of plus a would become minus a, and minus b would become plus b, and plus c would become minus c. Here plus a and minus a get cancelled, and plus b would be 2b, and the terms plus c and minus c also get cancelled. And coming to the RHS side, 0 minus 6 would come as minus 6. Now let us transfer 2 to the right hand side. So we get here b is equal to minus 6 divided by 2. By simplifying here, we get 2 1 time is 2 and 2 3 times is 6. Therefore, we get the value of b as minus 3. Now let us substitute the value of b as minus 3 in the equation 1. We get here a minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. Now by transferring minus 3 to the right hand side, we get a plus c is equal to 3, and let us name this equation as 4. Now let us substitute the value of b as minus 3 in the equation 2. We get here 4a plus 2 into minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. So we can write this as 4a plus c, and here 2 into minus 3 would be minus 6, and if we transfer to the right hand side, we get here plus 6. So now let us name this equation as 5. And here, in order to get the value of a, let us subtract the equation 4 from the equation 5. So we have the equation 5 as 4a plus c is equal to 6, and we have the equation 4 as a plus c is equal to 3. Now let us subtract both the equations. So the signs of the equation 4 get changed. We get here plus a as minus a, and plus c would become as minus c, and in the RHS side, the value of plus 3 would be minus 3. And this would come as 4a minus a would be 3a, and here the second terms plus c and minus c get cancelled, and coming to the RHS side, 6 minus 3 would be 3. Now let us transfer 3 to the right hand side. We get a is equal to 3 divided by 3. By simplifying, 3 and 3 get cancelled and we get the value of a as 1. Now let us substitute the value of a in the equation 4. We get 1 plus c is equal to 3. Now let us transfer 1 to the other side. We get c is equal to 3 minus 1 and therefore we get the value of c as 2. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve an example on remainder theorem. Hope you understood the concept. To like and subscribe to weteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.